Hey guys, I just got this from my Oculus, so here it is. Here's my Oculus or Meta Quest 2. Now we're gonna open this up and take a look what's inside. So we got this, which you should not use. It's in the instructions. Never use any wet tissues or anything like that to clean up your lenses. What I recommend is a lens pen, so let's throw that away. And then inside here we also got a few other things. Actually, that's it. Let's put that away. Cover. It's good. It's just anti-dust cover. So you can just place these like right here when you're done playing. There you go. So you don't get any dust on your lenses. I'm going to take those away for now and show you the silicone cover. So this is the silicone cover that comes with it. I'll show you the difference between the original silicone cover and the other one. So I'll place this back again actually. So that way when I'm taking off my silicone cover, I don't make the mistake and touching my lens. So let's just change your silicone cover. When I take this off, just apply some pressure and it just pops out. Of course it pops out with this. Let's just put that back for now. And here's the original one. So this one is the one that you get with Oculus, and this one's the one I just bought. So obvious differences, especially right here. So I'm just gonna take off the original. So that's the sweat guard, some people call it. And we're gonna place this other one that we just purchased and see how it fits. I don't expect it to fit as snug as the original one, but it should fit just fine. Alright, so differences with the original. Well, you can see in this piece, I can tell you it does not get in your way. As it just goes on your nose. It's actually pretty good for your sweat as well, so it does help out. And on the sides, you might notice this little gap. Again, it's not getting in my way, but it is different than the original one. You can see the original one doesn't push in as much as this one does. However, when I put it on, I don't even see the sides, so that's not getting in my way at all. On the back, you guys can see that it fits just fine. And again, we're just gonna test it out for a little bit, and by a little bit I mean a couple weeks, because with cheap silicone products, sometimes they make them a little bit too cheap. And what does that mean? In the process of making silicone products, sometimes they don't get to be a certain temperature when they're making them, and later on that would make the silicone product sweat. And that's actually, I've actually had that happen with a remote controller cover that I had. And it actually starts to sweat. It's kind of weird. It sweats out this oily thing, and it's really, really, really weird once again. But that's the only time that has ever happened with any silicone products that I've ever bought. And it's something I bought over eBay. But again, that just happened with one of my covers. Obviously, it was way too cheap. Hopefully this right here will be fine. We won't have any of those problems. But for now, let's just place it on here. But again, that's one of the reasons why you don't want to go too cheap. You don't want to go cheap because sometimes it's the exact same thing. And again, 99% of the products I've ever bought, and they've always been the cheapest, they have worked just fine as well as the more expensive ones that I bought. So they work just as fine. Here we go. And this one right here, I can tell you it's not the cheap one. And it's not expensive either. This is like middle ground, I would say. Well, that's how it looks all the way around. And of course, we have the cover. So when we're done playing, just place the cover, and that's it. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys want to check out the review, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check that out. If you guys want the link for this, it's always going to be everything that I review would be in the description of this video. Any comments or questions, write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.